Hi dear students, today we will be discussing about service of spirits. So when it says spirits, can you please give me examples of some spirits? Brandy is a spirit, whiskey, gin, rum, vodka, tequila are some of the spirits. So today we are going to discuss about service of spirits. Spirits can be served as neat, it can be served on the rocks, or it can be served along with the mixers. So a neat drink is just the drink, nothing else. You are not adding ice cubes, you are not adding any mixer, you are not adding water, you are not adding soda, just a neat drink. Clear? So I'm going to teach you now how to serve a neat drink. So here is a brandy. For brandy, the glassware used for neat is a brandy snifter or a brandy balloon. For other spirits, for whiskey, gin, rum, vodka, if it is serving as neat, you can use an old-fashioned glass. If old-fashioned glass is not there, you can use a rolling ball. Alright? So these are the glasswares usually preferred for serving a neat drink. So today I am going to show you how to serve brandy neat. For that I am using a salver, then one coaster, a brandy snifter or a brandy balloon, a decanter. This is a decanter. So this is the salver setup. So the first step is to take the order from the guest. Okay, the guest will be asking you for 60 ml of drink or 90 ml of drink. In that case, you have to take a jigger or bag measurer, which got 60 ml here this side, and this is 30 ml. So you have to measure the drink and then pour the drink in the decanter and then bring it to the table. Clear? So here I am keeping a standard of 60 ml for all the service. I am just keeping a 60 ml standard. So I am taking the peg measurer and then I am pouring 60 ml. And I'm pouring the drink in the decanter. Alright, so this is the salver setup for brandy neat. Your waiter's cloth here. Now take the salver, go to the right hand side of the guest, keep the coasters toward the right hand side of the glass, take the brandy snifter or brandy balloon, keep it right here and hold the decanter like this, salver away from the guest, just pour in the drink. Please don't touch the rim of the glass, just pour it. And that's neat brandy service. Clear? Now next is clearance. So bring the salver away from the guest, right hand side of the guest. Right leg forward, then lift the glass, keep it here, clear the coasters, and you are done. So that was brandy service stage.